Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can crop a video in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on the web version. I have a blank project open, and from here, as you can see, I have uploaded or imported a couple of pieces of media. Now, I'll just take this video I have here. You can click this green plus, or you can drag it and drop it into the timeline. And once it's here, pardon my phone, let me just turn that off for a second. But yeah, once you add it to your timeline, it is very easy just to crop it. As you can see, you have these sort of nodes. However, they will only resize the video. They won't crop anything. What you need to do is make sure the video is selected here in the timeline. Make sure it is outlined green, and make sure you can also click this here image on the preview, but it's safer just to click this part in the timeline, and make sure your cursor, or call it whatever you want, is over the selected footage in the timeline. But once you're there, all you need to do is click these intersecting lines. As you can see, it says crop. Just click there, and then you can drag these nodes and crop it wherever you would like. Of course, you can crop it just vertically, horizontally, do it however you want, or you can crop it completely. As you can see, if I drag it way too fast, it might crop the other side accidentally. But yeah, as you can see, it just crops the video, and the highlighted area is exactly what will be cropped, as you can see. And that's pretty much it. Let me just Control Z so that you can see that you can undo it and you can see the whole video, and for some reason it doesn't want to. There we go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.